Good morning, DJ. It's Friday, February 6th. The time is currently 9:15 a.m. It is a bloody good morning, DJ. All right, woke up today at 8:09. All right, late, but I woke up, got my morning routine in. Just arrived at my desk when I started this, I'll say about 9:15. As always, my weekly target's 5%. Mental check-in, feeling generally okay. Excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Excited to continue to grow, all right, and get 1% better in these markets. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the battle. News. It's not NFP. I thought it was NFP, but it's not NFP. But anyway, we have medium impact news coming out today at 10 a.m. All right, we have news today, making an optimal day to take a trade. Risk going into today, we are at 0.5 for counter trend trades and 1% for pro trend trades, and a max of 1.5. Weekly program going to this week is a sell program. Let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything's happened to change that for us here, DJ. All right, dollar seen a retracement into this inefficiency here. All right, and on the daily, we closed above consequent encroachment, but on the weekly, all right, we just pierced it. So just seeing how price behaves in here will let me know potentially where it could be going to next. But for now, still risk on scenario for me, meaning dollar lower. Everything else should be going higher. M&Q. But obviously, we're seeing a retracement in dollar. That's potentially why we're seeing this drop in M&Q. M&Q, we dropped into this discount array, taking sell side here. All right, depending on how price behaves in here. All right, if we get a closure above it, I want to see price use it to support higher into these inefficiency here. But for now, as far as my current understanding of price action goes, and it's the last day of the trading week, I'm gonna elect to stick with my weekly program of a sell program. Bear with me, DJ, please. All right. Dealing ranges, 60-day, we're good on that. 20-day needs to be adjusted. Just 20-day. Previous day, let's get that in there. Sync globally.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. Just made myself some oatmeal, woke up a little. Well, I've been sick for the last 2 days.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is
so
the code?
Something like that. I have a cough, like a dry cough that doesn't want to go away.
Right.
I don't
Yeah, I
know,
didn't. I
but
didn't wake up. I didn't wake up early either today, to be honest. But it is what it is.
it is what it is. That's for sure.
Some days the sleep is just too good. You just want to keep going.
I felt that. Felt that.
Alrighty. So how was yesterday for you then?
Oh, yesterday it was good. I saw like a few trades that and I used the fib. I think I told you that.
Yeah.
But I didn't really understand, I guess, each level and what they could potentially mean.
Yeah.
And I took a trade off of I took a few trades, a couple L's. Um, but I saw where the better trade ended up being later in the day.
That's
Just
what
be
it's all about, right?
patient. Because
Mhm.
Nas looked like it was at a tricky area. Like, that specific area where it was like pushing down. It pushed down a little bit, but then it shot up. And then it continued its push down. So it just wanted to retrace deep. So
So did you lose selling or buying?
I lost selling, which was
Oh,
unfortunate because it I just got into early.
right.
But low risk, I say that much. Didn't risk too much.
That's the most important part.
Yeah, so we live to trade another day. That's
Yep.
what it is.
Yep. 100%.
Oh my God.
Hang in there, mate.
That's that shit is not going away either.
Yesterday was nice for me though. I'm not gonna
Yeah.
lie. Yeah, it was nice.
How how was it?
It was really good. The trade I was looking for was like clean. So I definitely know that if I was in there, that's the trade I would have took on the day. So I was happy about that. MPM session was nice too.
Did you get into anything?
PM session, no, I was just tape reading. Remember, I said I wanted to be a fly on the wall.
Yeah,
Cause I don't know, I approached the market late in the day, and that was something that was new to me. So I just wanted to sit still.
I get what you're saying.
Yeah, but I like what I'm seeing.
I'm trying to get myself situated with my account right now. Uh, where we at? Let's mark this up. Where was previous day high? Yesterday was the fifth, right?
Yeah, yeah. Yesterday was the fifth.
Okay. Previous day high. Previous day low.
Mm.
That 9:30 candle was wicked though.
What, yesterday?
Yeah, it just dojied out like for a bit.
Mhm.
It was absurd.
Mm. Yeah, just waiting, man.
I don't know. All right, let's do a daily low. Daily. What's today? Today is the 6th. Um,
Your people take any trade yesterday?
they did. They took a trade on US 30. I actually took that trade. It ended up going good. But he took a few L's right before that, so
Mhm.
it's a lot of just like it's the right ideas. It's just like I guess where we get in,
Yeah.
prices being a little choppy. So today, I don't know how I'm gonna go about it. We'll see. I might flip my head because the other days, remember, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like I had the right idea, but I was being patient.
Mhm.
Yesterday, I was like, all right, I think like I have the right idea. And then what I needed to do was be patient.
Right. That's how it be, man. That's how it be.
You know,
Did you take screenshots of your losses yesterday?
I think so. I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure. I'm pretty sure I did. It's all in this laptop, which I don't know how to use said laptop.
Was it Apple?
No, she has a Microsoft one. I have a Mac. Like I know how to use a
Um,
Mac, but I don't know how to use like a Microsoft one.
oh yeah, I'm the opposite. I don't know how to use Mac.
Really?
Yeah, yeah, they're so alien to me.
No, I went to school in middle school. I had to go to like a university to learn how to use Mac.
Hmm.
I was like 12 or 13 at the time. And honestly, it was like the best thing I could have done because I learned so much about like Mac computers. But
Right.
you asked me how to use a piece like a Windows, I'm lost.
Yeah. Yeah, that's alien.
Very.
I grew up on Windows, so I know it more than I know Mac, you know.
Yeah.
For me to do anything today, I would need to see this high go or this logo.
Which one?
My dealing range high
Yeah.
right here.
Oh,
I'll need to see either, one side get taken. Until then, my hands on my ass.
literally.
But we have taken previous daily low. So, but that's not how I trade.
Yeah, we already. Um, let's see. I'm looking at cells. Oh, we're in an interesting area.
Interesting area as in point of interest for you?
Like right now, like we rejected this 4 hour OB that I had. We're like in an interesting area where I can see sells, I can see buys.
Mm.
Let's go on the 1 hour. The 1 hour really isn't giving me much, but I see a breaker block that price could push up from,
Hmm.
or it could break through it, come back and retest it to continue to the downside. That's what I'm looking at right now on the 1 hour. Let's go into the lower time frames. I've done learned this already. Um,
No, there we go. Kicking off. Nice.
price is taking.
Decent size open range gap. It's below price, so we gapped up. Let's see how the cookie crumbles today.
I didn't even check if there was news. Wow.
Yeah, this that should be the first thing you do. But yeah, there's news at 10.
News at 10.
Medium impact.
There was no NFP.
Yeah, I was shocked too. It's supposed to be this week, but they moved it to next week, I guess.
I feel like there's some buys off of this 1 hour breaker. That's what I'm seeing. Let me draw a fib. So if I'm buying, where am I drawing a fib from? The top to the bottom or the bottom to the top?
It depends on the range that you're, well, no, it depends on the range you're looking at. But if you're buying, hold on, I'll have to do it. Top to bottom.
If I'm
No,
buying.
no, no. If you're buying, it's bottom to top. Sorry.
All right. Well, my breaker aligns with a 38.20 level, and it rejected it really nicely as of right now. It's running for about 30 points. Came back giving a few entries.
For a buy.
Yeah, for a buy. And to hit a 1 to 2, I would literally just need it to break the daily range to the upside, but I'm not taking a trade right now. I'm just watching to see if it wants to push because it's been messing with me the last couple of days. See what it's doing on the 15-minute. There's a Yeah, there's some rejection in this area really nicely.
That you'd be interested in?
I'm interested. If I do it, it's low risk. I'll probably just do one contract, but as of right now, it looks like price is gonna take off without me, which is fine. My bias was looks like it's gonna be right, but
And what's your bias going into today? I mean, well, this morning session then.
I mean, I was looking for buys.
Oh, okay.
I was looking for. I mean, I could see it both ways, but buys look a little bit better. I just don't. I didn't see it want to drop lower, and there's just so much. There's an order block on the 30-minute, a breaker block on the hour at the 15-minute. It's all like aligned in the same area, and
Mhm.
it's all bouncing off of that 38.20 level. And if I would have gotten that trade, I would already have hit TP. TP2.
And what would your entry have been?
My entry was gonna be 24,718.
24, 7, 18.
And my target, like my TP, was gonna be daily range, like the high. So where we hit this morning at 6:45.
Mm-hmm.
It's 24,873. That's where my TP2 was gonna be.
Yeah.
And with a risk to reward of like a 1 to 2.75, basically. Almost like 1 to 3.
So why didn't you pull the trigger on it then?
Sitting on my hands today.
All right, that's cool. I mean, at least you witnessed it and it panned out. So that's another data collected, right?
Yeah. Yeah. No risk, no RAR. Yes.
Yeah.
I gotta remember this.
Now you'll get there. You get there.
You see anything?
Right now, I'm in a for this session, I'm in a buy program because we took dealing range high. So I'm just waiting for the retracement and anticipate the buy.
Yeah, if this continues up, I see another opportunity to buy.
What are you thinking then?
I'm seeing there's like a 30-minute OB that if this closes, like I would have to wait till after 10 for this. Um,
Right.
if this 30-minute candle closes above or within this, like I would like it to close above, honestly, the order block that I see. Um,
Hmm.
and then if it comes back, retraces and taps into it a few times, then I'll probably take that trade to the upside for aiming for I'd get in around 25, 24, 840
Hmm.
to take it all the way to 25, 024.
And that will give you your 1 to 2.
I think that might give me even more, so I wouldn't even
Mhm.
have to take that much. This is 50. Ooh. That would give me a 1 to 3.6, so I'll probably just take it to a 1 to 2. Maybe take two contracts and let a runner go. That's
Risk,
only if this goes.
risk wise, it will allow you to risk what, 100 points as your usual, or 50 points, right?
50 points, but at the entry that I want to get into, if this closes, there will be an order block that formed below it.
Mhm.
So I might have to go with a bigger stop, which if I just do two, I could do maybe like a 70 point stop. Two contracts, that's roughly around like my daily what I would allow myself to
Risk.
lose if
Mhm.
anything. So it aligns with my risk. So if it gives it to me, I'll look to take it. If it doesn't, then and if
Whatever.
price wants to just reverse, then I ain't touching anything.
Smart play.
Yo. Any footy today?
What's the yeah, Friday, yeah. I have another regional game, but that shit is far as far. It's like 2 hours away.
In like Miami or
Nah,
above?
close to right before Port St. Lucie.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Yeah. That's far.
Mm. Like Stewart area?
Yeah, exactly. Stewart, exactly. That's the area.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Damn, price is pushing. All right, so for today, I saw what's today's date? The 6th.
What did you see? Let the class know.
I saw the adding the daily range and the fib has been really like eye-opening because I see that like it doesn't even go in between like the levels. It quite literally will just tap that level in reverse.
Yeah. Yeah.
Um especially and like when it aligns with like an order block, like it looks really nice.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Um so I mean that was I'm seeing like so what I realized was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I think it was because I was back testing off of my phone. It retraced into the 23.6 level before pushing up or before pushing in the direction it ended up going overall for the day. Yesterday, it came all the way back to 61.80. And today it came back to 38.20. So with yesterday, like there was an order block at pretty much every single one of the levels,
Hmm.
which I got in to two of those trades on my own. And because it ended up going all the way to 61.8 is why ultimately like I ended up losing because I think I got in at let me see if I have the picture. Hold on. I think I know I got in at 50.
On what time frame did you get in?
The 15 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, I got in at the 15 minute. And it kind of kept pushing, but I saw why there was a potential for it to have done what it did
Hmm.
because where I was, um, I had wanted to get in where it was at like the previous the lower low, but then price ended up making like a higher low,
Hmm.
and it wanted to retrace all the way back into that higher low before shooting down. So that was interesting. I noted that. So something to look for.
So there was an order block at the each like fib level you said that you were interested in? Okay.
Yep.
All right.
But then I saw like so there was an order block like that made sense to get into.
Hmm.
Um, but I ended up seeing how it didn't care for the lower low that was created. It wanted to
Yeah.
go back into that higher low that it made before pushing lower.
Yeah.
So
So it grabbed liquidity before dropping.
there you go. Yeah.
Yeah. I would be watching a retracement setup here. I would be interested here
Hmm.
in a sell to internal liquidity to then buy. So that's what I'm paying attention to right now. Yeah, played out. You take any trades today, your guy?
He's not even on. There's other people taking trades right now.
Um,
This person is on US 30. I haven't even looked at 30 today. Wow. 30's gone. 30 said, I'm out of here.
Deuces. 8:51.
I went to go play last night,
Yeah. How was that?
some footy, and it was horrible.
What you mean?
It was just bad all around. Everybody was just like giving up. I was like, what? What? It is 40 minutes away, by the way.
Oh shit. So you drove for that shit. Yeah.
I looked at the lady that is mommy league on Thursdays.
Yeah.
Um, I looked at the lady. I was just like, this is what you had me come all the way out here for?
Right, right, right. I could have been at home, mate.
You want to know what time it was? The game started at 11 p.m.
11 p.m.
Yes.
What? Hell no. What do you finish at 12 a.m.?
It's only like 40-minute game, so yeah, roughly.
What? Why so late though?
Because the field that they use, like an academy called Long Island Soccer Club, they use
Hmm.
the field during the evening, and then there's availability after 9 p.m.
Ah, damn. 11 p.m. is that's dedication, bro.
And my team ended up like getting a new goalie. Like they got rid of my best friend, and like
Hmm.
I don't know
But
why.
your best friend was the goalie?
She was the goalie, and like not for nothing. Like she's a good goalie.
Yeah.
She will dive. She will throw herself. She
Right, right,
understands.
right,
Like
right, right.
she has good feet. Um, the goalie that they got, oh my God.
Why'd they get rid of her then?
Because my best friend is a teacher, so she couldn't make those like late
Ah,
ass.
the late, right, 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 late games.
Yeah, so this goalie that they got though, I was like, please, please get rid.
Do something, mate.
It was like there was like four of the goals, so we lost like 6-2, which is
Yeah.
absurd. And four of the goals that they scored, she didn't even try to dive. I was like, why are you a goalie? Like, even I would have dove. Yeah, I'm not a fucking goalie.
Like,
That
why are you
shit,
not trying to save these balls right now?
literally, man. Literally.
Mate. So that retracement setup would have been a bust.
No.
Mhm. But I would have took it though.
Oh my God.
Hang in there.
Thankfully today I only have one session.
What time?
Actually, I have to text my boss. I might have two sessions. 7 to 8.
7 to 8?
Yeah, but I'm trying to get a. It's just like like a private with like a. She's like
Oh, okay.
5.
5?
Yeah, the little girl is 5. But I have some girls on my team that they kept asking me if I wanted to, if I could do privates with them, and I was just like, you know, tell your parents to text me, like,
Right, 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 right.
um,
Hell
and I'm
yeah, I'll do it.
yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
When I like when kids work. When kids don't work, then it's like it dreads. Like that hour goes by so slow.
Yeah,
But
I
when you
can
got a kid that
imagine.
wants to work and hustles and grinds, like it's fun.
Yeah. It makes you more into it as well, you know, like you want to give more because they're willing, they're showing you that they're willing to give more, you know.
Yeah. All right. I'm willing to get into. mm, let's see. There's a 15-minute order block that got broken. If price comes back into this, I'd be willing to get in
For a buy.
for a buy. Yeah. But at this point, I would really just go with one contract. And if I lose my one contract, I just lose $100. If I make it, then yep.
Oh, this shit is so jarring. Like, just give me the 50. Whatever. Close enough. Is you looking at an hourly order block?
Right now I'm looking at a 15-minute order block.
Is
That
it
one right there, that
9:15 candle? Or this one here?
it's the 6:45 candle.
Oh, okay, right, this one.
Yeah.
Well, would it be a breaker for you then?
Yeah, it turns breaker.
Got you.
Because price already like closed above it on
Above
the
it?
15.
Mm-hmm.
So if and there was also another order block February yesterday at 12:30 in that same level at that same level.
Right, right, right.
So kind of gives me a little bit of a understanding that that level is an area of interest. If I took something, if not, then so be it.
Yeah, that's okay too.
Oh, what you got planned for the weekend?
Me?
Yeah,
Um, games on games on games, pretty much.
no
Supposed
way.
to week out, back test. That's my weekends.
No Super Bowl party?
Not Super Bowl? Nah. I'm not into none of that.
Really?
Nah, nah. Well, you got Super Bowl party to attend, yeah?
I have my cousin's gender reveal. I think I told
Oh
you
yeah,
already.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You did tell me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
You're
I have
keeping,
that.
you're the gender keeper.
Yo, let me show you what I got. Hold on.
Let me see.
So, because it's Super Bowl, and I gotta,
It's around that theme. Oh, okay. Oh, you're gonna put the gender in there?
yeah, I got
Oh, okay. That's dope. Oh, I might say you show me what I say, is that gender girl?
Yo, I haven't told not a single
Flip
person.
the script on my ass.
It's eating me alive, low key.
Oh my God. I can imagine. And I'm sure people were asking you like, what is it? Give us a hint.
Literally, my aunt texted me. She was just like, "Hi, honey, did you find out?" And I was just like, "Yeah."
Yes, I did, but I'm not telling you.
Yeah, she was just like, "Oh my God." I'm
Gotta
like,
be nice and get the juice.
yeah.
Yo, that's funny.
It's gonna be fun though. But it's gonna be like 4 degrees outside on Sunday.
Yeah, I was about to say you guys doing that outside.
Yes.
Oh shit.
And it's
Better
gonna be like,
bundle up.
it's gonna be nah, but so they were saying that this weekend is gonna be like if you're outside for too long, like you can
Yeah.
get frostbite.
Really?
Not even like too long, like within like 10 minutes of being standing outside, like you could get
Hmm.
frostbite, like to the point where like your limbs start going like numb.
And you guys about to be outside with the gender reveal thing?
Just for the kick. After that,
Oh,
I'm
okay.
I'm
We're going and running.
I'm running like the football players on the field.
For real. I'm gone.
Yeah, that's it. But I'm excited. I'm excited. Let's see
So
what
what,
the
are you gonna like throw the ball? Are they gonna catch it? Like, or they're gonna open the ball up and
So I'm gonna close it. I have to put a little bit of tape on it.
hmm.
It's gonna break, but I'm gonna put a little bit of tape on it because like it's not closing firmly.
Yeah.
Um, and then I guess I'll hold it for him to kick, or he could hold it in his hand like this and like
Yeah.
punt it. Um, so it's either I hold it like as if he's gonna go for a field goal,
Hmm.
or he could punt it. Doesn't really matter at the end of the day as long as
It's gonna break in the air with basically.
yeah, it's like
Got
a
you.
powder paint,
I got you, got you, got you.
paint powder. I don't know what the heck, but I got that, and then I got like confetti like blasters.
Mm-hmm.
Got like 12 of those for the little kids.
Right,
Once they kick it, pop.
right, right. No, sounds like you guys should have a bunch of fun. This your cousin's first kid?
This is her first kid. This is her man's second kid though.
Oh, okay. Mm.
But
It's all right, be like that.
if you like that, but what you
Yeah.
but it's gonna be fun. It's just funny. I never thought that she would pick me to be her gender keeper. But I understand now. I understand why now.
Yeah.
Because all of her friends like they can't keep a secret.
Right, right, right. Everybody would have done been known already.
Yeah, like some of them were telling her, like my cousin, they were just like, I'm just gonna hit up Di and ask her what the gender is. And my cousin's like, okay, go ahead, but like
Good
she's not
luck.
gonna tell you. She's not you.
Yeah. Good luck with that one.
I haven't spoken to my cousin since I found out because I was like, if I talk to you, I might slip up. So let me
Right, yeah, 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 yeah. For real.
toodles.
Don't even look my way. Don't text me, no, none of that. I'm good, thank you. I'll see you at the gender reveal.
There you go.
No,
Exactly that.
I felt that.
Okay. Why is Price doing what it's doing right now? Mm. Mm. Mm, mm.
It's back in that area for you.
This 5 minute candle, if it makes a slight push to the downside and rejects, I think about it. But
Mm.
there's news at 10, so I'm actually not gonna do it.
Well,
Because
let's watch
knowing
it
this
and see
shit
then. Let's watch it and see then.
is gonna wick me out for funsies.
And then carry on.
Exactly.
Mhm.
Exactly that.
I'm watching this retracement cell here.
Okay. Would you get into the cell?
Would I get into it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would get into this one.
So are you looking for sells today or buys?
Buys. My main session is buys because we took dealing range buy side.
Okay.
But I'm just watching the retracement setup, right? So, because eventually I will trade those too.
Yeah. Oh, Lord.
So you're not training this weekend, right? You just got the gender review.
Tomorrow I'm off. Sunday I'm gonna play in the morning like at 7,
Mm-hmm.
and then I have two games at 2 to 3 and 3 to 4.
Mm.
Futsal
Oh, okay. Training or the matches?
matches.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, it came back and it rejected my area nicely, but I'm waiting for that 10 a.m. I have to.
So how would you be entering right now? Like, would you be waiting for more rejection or?
Yeah, I would be waiting for more rejection. I mean, it's rejected off of, it came back to literally tap my entry. It
Mm-hmm.
just started rejecting that. Um, I had an entry at 24,855.
855.
24,855. Yeah.
Mm.
I mean, now it's coming back right back into it. So, but that could be, this 10 a.m. volatility that's about to happen. Yep.
She said, "This is why I don't trade for it. It would be waking me out, right?"
It would quite literally be no, I mean it's not wicking me out. I might stop loss is at 24,780, but the way that price is picking up some motion,
Well, it gave me -1 on my retracement setup, so I'll be reducing my risk. What's that? 725.
you taking pictures of them?
No, I'm just watching it. Like when I watch this back, I'll see it, and at the end of the day, I go back and I screenshot
Yeah.
the up. So
Mm. All right, one more minute. Let's see. Let's see what it gives us. There's an OB, there's an order block at the 23.60 area.
mhm.
Um, around 24,767. If it comes back down to that, I might just get in.
That's your next area of interest.
That's my next area of interest. If it does any crazy moves. If not, where it's at right now is technically where my entry would be originally, but I'm
Mhm.
just gonna let price do its thing. Let's see. If I get in now, my 50-point stop would be right at that area of where that 23.6 entry would be. And knowing my luck, that shit would quite literally just
Just hit it and carry on.
yeah. On contract, should I get in right now?
Is it giving you everything you need to see to get in?
It's not giving me what I want, so I'm not gonna do it. I want to see it come back to this 23.6 level. I'd be more confident if it came down to here before going back up.
23.6 or 24?
23.6. So around 24,788.
24/7. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now. This area. If it comes back into this area right here, best believe I'll find myself in a buy.
So I'll be in there. And that will be me.
But it already ran daily range high. Yeah, I can get a 1 to 2 and be done with my day. Go hit the gym,
Yeah, felt that.
even though I'm sick, but fuck it. You be working out?
Yeah, when I don't have like midday games or like and during the week at that's what I replace it with the gym. Like when I'm done for the day, like 5,
Yeah,
I'll hit the gym or something. But if I have games, I'm really in the gym. Mhm.
because that's the gym itself.
Exactly. That's my workout for the day. For real. What are you doing in the gym today? What are you working on? Legs, upper body?
I probably go upper body today because
Mm.
I ran a little bit last night and I did legs yesterday. Um, a little bit of legs though, because I'm trying to get myself like back into it. Like I used to be
Yeah.
really active and then I stopped being completely active
Yeah.
and because I had surgery and now like I've been like mediocre with my activity. So I'm just trying to get back into the flow of things. But with this snow, it doesn't really help.
Right, right, right. You don't want to do shit with that.
Mm-mm.
All right. -2 for me here. Stop will be at entry. Let me just confirm it went to it and to it. Nah, I won't be moving stop yet, actually. What's the law? Eight.
Price game, don't tell me nothing. 2 points from entry
2 point from entry.
right now, yeah.
So did you set your limit order already, or you just that's where you know you're gonna get in?
That's where I know I would get in.
Okay.
I don't know how to set orders that well,
Mm-hmm.
so I just go in straight at market.
Oh, okay. So you do market order.
Yeah, but 2 points. I was ready
Mm-hmm.
to. Oh my God.
It's not meant to be. It's not meant to be, is it? Low, low, low. Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see.
Yeah. Yep. No, plausible tonight. We're back in that area for you. We'll be tagging you
Oh,
in. -2 definitely confirmed here.
I got in.
You got in?
Yeah, I got in
All right.
with
One contract,
one contract.
50-point stop.
Yep.
All right.
It looks like it's coming right for it too. I'm looking for these buys.
And this is based on the 1 hour bullish order block.
This is based off of a 15-minute breaker. No, 15-minute order block. I'm
All
sorry.
right. Yeah. The 9:15 candle.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep, we'll see. We're in a little bit of profit.
All right.
What am I at? 1 to 2.
Well, you go since it's just one contract. Where you going for 1-1, or you still aiming for 1-2?
I'm aiming for a 1 to 2.
No.
Yeah,
Okay.
aiming for a 1 to 2. And if I got into a different in a if I had gotten another contract in, I would have gone for a 1 to 1, take one partial, and then let the other one run up to
1-2.
yeah. TP1 is about to get hit.
All right.
Come on, give me that push.
Sakina. Give me
I went to the casino with Sav's grandma,
Yeah.
and she was playing slots, and she was like touching the screen, like making
Yeah, Debbie.
that's me when I'm trading now.
They be doing that, man. Like he's gonna do something. Yeah, go out. Be guiding it up there.
You need a little help. Let me.
Yeah, nah, for real. It be like that sometimes, I swear.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Give me my TP2.
She said, give it to her.
Give me your right there. Like
She worked patiently for it.
that's 12 points. Just smack it.
You go
I'm
ahead, it gave
almost
it to you?
I'm almost stop loss to break even though, because
It
the way
gave you.
it's already it pushed past my TP1, so I don't.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you witnessing this.
I'll go in on the buy too here.
Anyway, let's get it.
Only gave me two contracts though, so I'll take it.
Let me take what we could get.
Yeah. Take them
Come on,
both out
come
at
on.
-1.
Ooh,
Technically a counter turn trade.
just back at my TP1. Nine points from TP2.
Is that psych?
Yeah,
Not
I mean,
today.
I broke even, and it looks like it's pushing to the downside.
Did,
So,
did it come to take you out break even?
yeah,
Okay, all right. Well, that's fine then. At least it's not a loss, right?
no,
We'll take
it's
those.
rejecting it again. I mean, good for you though, because it keeps you in the trade.
Either way, my sell would be okay, but my buy right now is not looking too good.
Mm.
I'd rather the buy work out right now because the sell is giving me what it done what it needed to do.
It's at this 15-minute order block for me right now, rejecting it multiple times, but like it just it's filling these orders. I don't know if I should get back in.
Do you have a protocol for that?
I don't.
Oh, okay.
And if I get back in, I would hit it. I would go in with two contracts this time. And
Mm-hmm.
if it goes to my TP1, pull one contract.
Mm. Why would you go back in with double the contract size?
Because I think I would have gone initially with double.
Oh, okay. With two.
Yeah. So that remember what I was saying? Like I would want to take partials at TP1.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
If it gives me an entry, I'll take it. It's not giving me what I want. It's not giving me what I want. I'll get it. Let's see. Is it gonna use this order block as a breaker to the downside?
Mm-hmm. Let's see. It's about to take me out here. I can feel it.
No,
Feel
I
it
don't
in the
think that. That's where I got my
bones.
entry.
That's where you get entry?
Yeah, that's where I got my entry.
You back in?
Yeah, I'm back in with two contracts.
All right.
I could see you using this order block as a breaker though to the downside, but it didn't close. Yeah.
Getting smashed out of that right now. Thank you very much.
Let's pick up volume. People getting in or what?
Mhm.
It's like it's gonna chop right here. I feel it. Now it's looking choppy. All right. Let's get ready to take partials if we need to.
What would you need to see to take partial? Still the one-to-one or like just paying attention to price action?
I'm paying attention to price action, and I mean, right now, it's giving me a one-to-one. It might give me the one-to-one I'm looking for to
Yeah,
take my partial, so I might just do it, especially with the two contracts.
yeah.
If it hits this, then yep, I'm definitely gonna grab them. And I took my partials. It hit my TP1, so I took partials, and I'm just gonna wait for
Hmm.
it to see if it
Get to
hits.
TP2.
Yep, and if it hits TP2, then it's a good day. We're done.
Yep, that's all we need. That's it, and that's all.
Oh, that's not what I was doing. I don't like Windows. Oh my God.
Don't know what you're looking at.
It just like I click and then it makes me do something and then I don't even know. It's weird.
What's this weird, creepy device?
It keeps messing with my TP1. I see this. I'm trying to see the push. Come
I
on,
mean,
we're gonna buy today.
it let you partial, so we'll take that.
Yeah, we'll take that. I might move. I was thinking about moving stop loss to break even, but I did that last time and just to get right back in, like I'll just see this one out. And
Yeah.
if with my partials, like it would literally be a break even trade at that point.
Right, right, right.
So what's the difference?
At least this one gives the trade room, 150. But just never lets me get it.
So TP is right there. You know you want
Hmm. You know you want to do it, just do it.
to. Literally
Uh-huh. Just be nice to us for once.
20 points. That's it. That's all I need. Just go.
Oh, bloody hell. So the sell gave us negative 2.5, and looking like that would have been it on that sell. Fair enough. Oh, the day's not over yet, so you never know.
There's somebody on Wall Street fucking with me.
They can see your start your exit. They're like, we ain't giving it to this girl. Like, what she done for this one? We ain't giving that shit to her.
That's
What
a
she want?
fact.
20 points? Let's take it down 20 points.
It's 10 points away. That's all I need. 10 points.
Yeah,
It's all right. Patience, patience,
yeah, yeah. You'll get there. Let it do his thing.
discipline, patience and discipline.
Once you enter the market, it's out of your hands. It's in the market, the model, and your trade management's hands. Let them do the heavy lifting.
Yup.
So here still would have given me an entry, but a risk. but also run the risk of not being tagged in the trade down. Like 2-1.
And we're out of
Thank
the
you
trade.
very much. I can adjust my stop to 758 and TP2 for my go over here. Turn up.
TP2,
Let's
nice and
go.
clean.
Just how we like it.
That
What's
was
that?
good. That was a good trade.
5-8. Now we're gonna analyze it and see what made it a good trade.
Yes.
5-8, 5-8. My God, can you? There we go.
Yep.
So it was the 15-minute order block, right?
Yeah, 15-minute order block.
You used the bodies.
Yeah, I used the body for this one.
All right. And then when we came into it, what made you pull the trigger on it?
So I have a fib drawn from, hold on, let me get to the 15-minute because I'm on the 5. I have a fib drawn from
On
daily
it?
range
Big range.
low. So I have a fib drawn from 24,429 up to 24,870.
And this is for your daily,
This is, yeah.
for your previous day, right?
No,
Or
today.
current day. Oh, okay.
Current
Oh,
day. Current
so
day,
you
yeah.
have it from where? So
I
from
had
where?
I had my from 24,433 to 24,
433,
24,433. Yeah.
and that's from 12 a.m. onwards.
Yeah, that's from 12 a.m. until I drew it up till that 6:45 candle to the top of that.
Okay.
6:45 a.m.
All right. I got you. I got you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. From here. My low is different. My low is 24 430.75.
24, 430, 24, 430. Oh, we're around the same area.
Yeah.
All right. So, I mean, it's still good, like 3 points, but those 3 points make
Well,
all the difference.
that's all it takes. Yep. It's from Top Step X, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why it's off.
Um,
Yeah.
yeah. So, all right. So I drew the fib from there. Um, I marked up on the starting from the 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
I had a order block at 2 o'clock, February 5th, turned breaker
On the 1 hour.
on the 1 hour, yes.
Okay.
Turned breaker, which aligned with the 38.20 level. That's the first trade I was looking at.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and then I had marked up on the 30-minute, there was a bearish order block at 12, February 5th.
On Monday, you said?
Yesterday
Oh, Thursday. Okay.
at 12 o'clock. There was a 30-minute order block
Okay.
that got traded into. And then I'll go down to the 15-minute. I went down to the 15-minute and I saw the order block that got created this morning at 9:15
Mm-hmm.
and it aligned with the 23.60 of the fib and we ran daily range high already at 9:30. That was the trade where I could have gotten in at the 38.20 level, but I didn't.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So we were patient. We watched the retracement from 9:30 back into that 23.6 level. And then that's where I ended up getting my entry was at 24,779, just around that 23.6 level to then see it push up back to the
So
daily.
so what do you think gave you more confidence, right, to get into the second trade than the initial one at 9:30?
Because we ran that daily range high already. So like,
Right.
I'm adding that to my arsenal. What you had taught me is
Yeah.
once we ran that daily range high, it came back, it retraced. Like we already knew we wanted to buy for the day.
Right. Right. Right.
So, you know, we ran daily range high, so we knew we wanted to buy. Price at 9:30 ended up retracing into that 38.20 level to then push bullish, which was what gave us the break of the daily range high.
Right.
And we retraced back into it at 10 a.m. and there was an order block that was just made at 9:15
Yeah.
at that 23.6 level where I felt pretty confident in how price was looking for it to give me the move that I was looking for. So I guess one, two, three.
Yeah. We identified our dealing range. We waited for one side to get taken, and then it gave us our bias for the morning, and we waited for that side of the trade, right? The retracement one we watched here. This was the retracement back into the range that we're waiting to get in. So
Yeah.
for me, this is where I entered, right? So you entered when it came back into this order block.
Yeah.
So for me, I waited based on my liquidity, right? I'm going for liquidity while you're for order blocks, which is fair, right? That's what you see. That's what you see. There was a internal liquidity low here that got swept. All right, swing low, displacement, market structure shift here, market structure shift here. I told myself in my procedures and protocols, if there's two like swing highs that get taken, I'm going for the highest one because sometimes I'll try to go for this one, it won't give me the opportunity. It will tap the highest one and just go without me. So while you go in like down in here, which is the same idea, right? Just our entry execution part is different.
Yeah.
The same thing that I was waiting for, right? The way what I'm looking to get in is different to what you're looking to get in, but we have the first two steps the same. So essentially, we're looking for the same setup,
Yep.
and I think, right, that's why we had a higher probability setup
Yeah.
on this
I
one.
think I think we both see this. We both have the same bias. It's just like you
Yeah,
said, the execution part and how we're gonna get in is different.
it's different. Yeah, yeah, and obviously the management too. That's also different.
Yeah.
A little piece, or essentially the same idea, but just
Approach differently.
yeah. But you
But
see
it
how that having that dealing range, it makes it easier, right? It gives you more confidence on the side that you're trading in. You're looking to trade.
yes, it does.
Yeah,
It genuinely does.
yeah,
Because it makes it a little bit more clear for me too. Like just off of this week's like back testing from Monday to like what price action did on Monday to
yeah,
yesterday. Like I was able to see like okay, drawing the daily range from this morning to where we are now
yeah.
and adding the fib like it's consistently given um entries at different area like different
Quadrants of the
levels
fib, yeah. Quadrants of the
and
fib, yeah, yeah, yeah,
they align with the order blocks.
yeah,
The next thing too, it would just be like obviously like risk management, patience, and maybe take into account like where we are in the day.
yeah.
Because like yesterday it wanted a deep retracement. Like today it gave the like I what I'm noticing is like I said, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it retraced only back to that 23.6 level. Today it came back to that 28, that 38.20 level, which like was a big area of interest for me to start.
Mm-hmm.
So it was nice to see that that aligned and then
Yeah,
letting it play out. It ended up coming back to still give me that 23.6.
yeah.
So you know what I'm actually gonna back test today? Um, if yesterday when it came all the way down to that 61.8 level, did it give
Yeah.
any more entries after that on new breakers at
Right.
lower levels?
Right, right, right. Because obviously we're trying to catch the continuation, but we're just looking at it from our points of interest, right? Because it can always blow past one point of interest to the next point of interest. That's just depend on how much retracement the market wants to give.
Yeah.
Like that's what I was saying. Like sometimes it's not gonna come all the way down into a deep discount to give you an entry. Sometimes it'll come to the 3 point whatever, 25.
Yeah.
For me, it's four quadrants, right? It's the high, then we have 20, 75, then we have 50, then 25, then zero in terms of premium and discount.
Yeah.
But no, solid morning.
It's been good.
Yeah. Let's see if this trade gives us anything else because we're still in there. My this no, well, yep, it would have come and taken me out at break even actually. That retracement setup.
Oh no.
Fair enough. Good. It was a good retracement trade. Another thing too is that I like the fact that I'm looking for the same thing, right? Depending on the days, if the market could be doing whatever it wants to do, but in terms of what I'm looking for is the same thing day in and day out.
Yeah. Consistent.
Yeah.
Consistency. Consistency.
So question for you actually. What
Yep.
when you came back into that area, right? You took a buy here initially, right? Which allowed you to move to break even
Mm-hmm.
in here. Where was your entry again?
My entry was at 24,779.
779. And that was just off price coming back inside of the order block.
It was, yeah. And also, well, it also, like I said, it touched that, like with the fib, I have it quite literally just tapped that 23.6. So it was like, it came back into my order block
Yeah.
and it hit my fib level. So
Yeah.
that's why I felt like more confident. And not only that,
Hmm.
but it rejected it like I think we talked about it. It rejected it like a few times and then it pushed bullish and I was like
Yeah.
if it comes back into my area, I'm gonna get in.
Yeah.
If it hits my stop loss, it hits my stop loss. But like the area was still consistently being rejected and it
Right, right.
sit there to take orders before it ended up pushing. So that's why I got into it.
Good. Everything was aligned for you and you go in. That's the aim of the game here.
That is, yep, and it's still pushing up.
Yep, it's about to give me -2. Well, it's hitting it, but it's not taking me out yet. So, oh, that's still no, that's not -1. That's not what I'm looking at, bro. Thank you very much. It gave it to me.
Oh, oh.
Yeah. Ah, no, bro. I hate when TradingView does shit like this. Where is my entry? 330. Thank you very much. That's -2. We are break even. I think it only let me get in this on 4 contracts. So what the hell is need to do? 7. Sometimes I'd be having no patience for this shit right here. Why does it do the things that it does?
You're at break even now?
Yeah, I'm at break even. if it puts me where I want to be. It's a little bit better than break even. 10 points above my entry.
Still good, still good. Now you're in a risk-free trade.
Yup, yup. I love those. So I took a loss here. The same trade that you were in,
Mm-hmm.
that you broke even at, I took a loss. And looking back at the trade, I told myself that if the range is ever like this big, especially on a 15 second time frame, which is where my entry is, if the range is ever this big, just leave those trades alone. And this is just another reminder here to just leave those trades alone, right? Because it ended up being a loss.
Yeah,
So, so I need to like be aware of like the range size for me personally because I don't like big ranges like this. This is a big range. And I've been beaten up so badly with those big ranges, and this is yet another example. Hey, that's enough data now. Forget those kind of trades. Let them go without you. So I need
because
to.
that next trade you got into was
It was this range right here, like a smaller range, right, compared to the one before it.
yeah,
It was between this high and this high. Really well would have been my entry points. It came to the second entry point, but I wouldn't want to risk it, because I've been burned like that too and missed a good trade. So I'm like, you know what? I'd rather risk a little bit and have the opportunity to be in the market than try to get like a smaller, entry or risk to reward type shit and miss the whole move.
yeah,
It's about what you're willing to give up and gain, I guess.
100%.
Yeah.
You gotta find that balance.
Yep, for sure. And for me, it's not these big ranges. I've learned that. Uh,
About that.
so now I'm gonna add a procedure in place for that. I'm fine missing those trades. Now let's see if external liquidity gets hit. So have you been adjusting the dealing ranges? What's the daily dealing range? Have you been adjusting them?
As like the morning is going,
Yeah.
um, no, I didn't.
Okay, so I usually adjust it once a 15-minute candle is closing, and obviously if we've taken the high, whichever side we've taken, if it needs to be adjusted, I'll adjust it. We started from it being here in the
Yeah,
morning, and then so once this 15-minute candle closed at the 9:30, I would adjust it to here, and that's what gave me the retracement setup actually here to come back into a discount. And once obviously the next 15-minute candle closed, I adjust it because we took buy side on it. So if that makes any sense.
yeah,
Yeah. So I adjust it as based on the 15-minute candles as it keeps taking it.
that makes total sense because that's
Yeah.
where I drew it up on the 15-minute.
Yeah.
Let me see what it would give me if I did that too. So I got into this trade that I got into at 10 o'clock around that time.
10 a.m.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
10.
Yeah.
So if I move my fib, it would have retraced into that 38.20 level again, technically speaking.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it still would have aligned with a order block. And honestly, it's even more to the T than the 23.6 level was from the previous.
Yeah.
So yeah, okay. Let me add that. And obviously it's only done if it's applicable, like if it gets ran.
Exactly. If it gets ran, right? If it hasn't been ran, like since we've been up here, the last three candles, it hasn't been ran, so it doesn't need to be adjusted. So are you breaking even on the day then? Oh, better than break even, right? You're ending better than break even?
No, I actually I'm up. I'm up 1.5 because I took a
Oh,
partial.
all right. We'll take that. We'll take that.
Or is it 2.5? I don't know. I was looking for because I took the first trade was a break even,
Mm-hmm.
and the second trade I put two contracts in. I took partials at TP1 and then I just let the other one ride out.
Right, right,
So
right. Any day at or above equity high is a great day for us here.
yeah, very true.
Yeah.
And it it works because I knew what I was risking and I wasn't trying to risk too much and it gave me exactly what I was looking for.
Yep. And I like the fact that you once you took that L or the break even trade, you were just like, all right, okay, like it's coming back into the area. Am I still interested in getting in, right? We're not worried about, you know, breaking even or taking a loss on the trade. That's not what we're here for. It's about the next setup.
Yeah, I like, but that's why I have that risk. Like that's why the way that I have my risk set up is like specific. Like I'm only
Yeah,
allowing myself to lose X amount, and
right.
because I didn't lose X amount, and I was just at break even. Like I'm willing to do it still. You know, like
Right, 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 right.
there, no risk, no Rari. Shit.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Forget this partial. We can end this, all right? This last partial, we can end it here.
Yeah. Okay
This
then.
really would be it for me and for the morning. I would be done.
Honestly, I think it was a good day.
Yeah, it was a good it was a good day. I think it's been a good week. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a good week.
It's been a good week, like learning and seeing,
Yeah.
like even if we're not like, quote unquote profitable, it's just like a matter of being able to see the success
Yeah.
of our strategy and how we're approaching the markets every
Yeah.
day.
Yeah. For me,
And
I put more emphasis on the process than the outcome, like am I following my processes? Is it consistent? Is the data proving me that it's working, more than anything? The outcome is secondary or come.
yeah, because if the process is right, then, like eventually, well, the other stuff will come too. It'll follow.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. So you're gonna be back testing this weekend then?
I, yeah,
Yeah.
I have, let's see. Tomorrow's gonna snow.
Oh shit.
So tomorrow I'm really just gonna probably be chilling for the morning, or probably go to the gym. I don't think I have anything to do tomorrow night. I'm probably gonna go see my parents. I haven't seen my mom.
Mhm.
Um, Back test, spend some time with Savannah. Sunday, got some footy early in the morning. Then I have a little bit of break. Probably go to church or something.
What time is your church start?
It has three different start times. It
Oh,
starts.
okay. They have the sessions like morning session, afternoon, evening. Oh, okay, that's dope.
They have like a 9 a.m., a 10:30, and I think a 12.
Mm.
So if I go play some footy at 7 in the morning and get home around like 9, probably can make it to like the 30, come home, grab some lunch, go off to my games. After my games, come home, shower, get myself together to head out to my cousins for the gender reveal slash Super Bowl party.
Oh, it's a gender reveal slash Super Bowl party.
Yeah, that's why I got a
Oh.
football.
Ah, that's very Super Bowl themed. Okay, okay. I thought they
Yeah.
just like football, but it's that plus that. What is the Super Bowl happening right now or something?
Yeah, Super Bowl's on Saturday, it's on Sunday.
What two teams are playing?
The New England Patriots and the Seattle Seahawks.
This is football, right?
Yeah, this is American football.
Well, and the Chiefs didn't make it this year?
They were low key, but like they didn't
Oh,
even make
yeah.
it to the playoffs.
Oh, wow. So they won like, well, didn't they win like three times or twice in a row?
They won twice in a row. They were trying to go, so they won twice in a row. They lost last year to the Eagles in the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
And then this year they were just completely like not good at all.
Yeah. Right. They had their time. It's done for them.
Completely shit.
I was
No.
supporting them obviously because I used to live in Kansas City and that's the team in it. So that was for a long time. I was like, yeah, go Chiefs. Well, I know nothing about football though. American football anyway.
Yeah, no, I love all sports. Like you give me a football, we could play flag football any day. You want to play
Yeah,
baseball? We could go play baseball
yeah,
any
let's do
day.
that.
Basketball, like I have a basketball in my in my car. I got my basketball shoes. Like I might just go to the gym and do shoot some hoops, to be honest with
Oh
you.
my goodness. You like all I'm not gonna lie, I like all sports too, but like playing all of them, yeah, sometimes here and there. I used to play I used to do all type of sports back in school, but now it's just like you get old, innit? Your knees just don't work the same.
You play cricket or not?
Cricket, I've played it for PE, but like nothing serious.
Oh, I want to play cricket so bad. Like
Yeah, yeah. Cricket is fun. I like cricket.
I was in Trinidad and like over there I cricket's a big thing.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
where
yeah.
we were staying, the guys had like a cricket bat and I was just like, yo, like teach me how to play cricket. And they were just like, never played cricket before, and I'm like, no, we don't do that in America.
That's not a sport where I'm from.
No, like we play baseball.
Yeah.
So they showed me how to hold the
The
thing.
bat? Yeah,
And
yeah,
then like they threw the ball at me and like I hit it and they were just like you're lying like you
yeah.
played this before and I'm like no, I know how to play baseball.
Right, right. Similar.
Yeah,
I know
so
how to do sports, right? It doesn't matter what kind of sport. I just know how to sport.
I'm an athlete. That's
Yeah, I felt that.
in and out. So I want to get into tennis.
Tennis? Yeah, tennis is cool. I used to play tennis serious for a little bit.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
if I
Back in
if
London though.
once I move down to Florida, we play tennis.
Yeah, let's do it.
Gotta get active.
We can get into what's the new one now they got going on?
Pickleball.
Yeah, pickleball too. Like
Oh my God, I've never played that actually.
me neither. But everybody just be raving about it.
Yeah, no, I've heard a lot of good things about it. I play ping pong.
Ping pong is my shit.
Yeah?
Yeah, ping pong is my shit,
You-
dog.
You're gonna have to come to New York.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
My
yeah.
parents have a ping pong table at their house.
Yeah, we well at Tasha's parents' house, we used to have a ping pong table there too.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I used to whoop his her brother.
Ping pong is that shit. My brother will beat no, beat my ass though.
Yeah, yeah. No, nobody's being my ass though. I'm sorry. I'm just saying.
All right, bet. Next time when you come to New York, we
Yeah,
going right
yeah,
there. We're gonna play. Bah, bah.
yeah, 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 yeah. Put some money on it too.
Yo, I be gambling. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
As
Oh,
long as you're a smart gambler, that's all that matters.
so I've been approaching gambling the
Yeah.
same way I'm approaching trading.
Yep. Yep. That's
Like,
that's the way you should approach it for sure.
and I want to say within the last, so I started taking like gambling seriously, I guess you could say, because how
Yeah.
serious can you take gambling?
Right. Yeah. That's
Um,
fair
I want to say within the last like January, like all like the end of January into now. So I started with $20
Yeah.
and I've three times my account already.
Oh yeah. So what you at 60?
Around 80,
Okay.
like
All right.
roughly. And I completely like now I'm in a system where like I'm not risking like OD. Like I'm only risking the same amount on every single bet that I place.
Yeah.
And giving myself like high probability like opportunities where like
Right, 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 right.
I'm not betting on I don't want to say I'm not betting on like a lot of players unless like I get like a profit boost or some shit, but like it's something called spread betting.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you know what that is, but like
Yeah.
so when it goes to like basketball, like
Mm-hmm.
NBA, the spread is basically what's the difference between the two teams' points. So
Right.
if let's say the Miami Heat is versus the New York Knicks and
Yeah.
the spread is um minus 4.5 for the Miami Heat. That means that the Miami Heat has to beat the New York Knicks by 5 points.
Right.
And so like it could be 105 to like 100, then you would win that bet. But if like let's say the Miami Heat win, but they only win 105 to 102, you would
Yeah.
lose the bet because they didn't cover the spread.
Right. Got you. Got you. Got you. So you have to put enough to cover the spread between the two teams.
Yeah, so you have to pick like you have to see where who's gonna cover the spread. So like recently, like within the like I said, like the last I want to say month,
Mm-hmm.
I really been like playing with this
Locked in.
spread betting stuff,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
and I see so much success in this crap. I'm
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
every day
Yeah. There's a system to this shit.
there's a system to this shit, and there's like little edges. Like there's
Yeah.
they give you like better odds for certain shit.
Mm-hmm.
And I just look for like the best odds and like I do like research like who's playing tonight, what was their previous match like, how have these players been playing and like because I've been, kind of doing this for a little bit, like I already know like how a lot of players have been playing and
Yeah.
like, how teams have been playing, so I kind of just base it off of that.
Right.
Um and like where they're playing, if they're playing home, if they're playing away. Like there's a couple things I take into account with it, but
Right. Right. Right.
it's been pretty solid.
All right. Okay.
So we're treating it like trading right now.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. You should. It's the same. It's the same concept, right? It's just you're technically buying and selling the teams, right? On which team is gonna do better than the next. So,
Yeah, basically it's like who do I think
right,
what do I think is gonna happen?
right. And put money on that, but
That's
based on research and data.
same thing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Exactly.
you don't know, I was struggling when I was in Florida. I couldn't gamble.
Oh, you was getting the itches. You was itching like, say, get me to my gambling. Well,
I
why
was
you can't gamble over state lines or?
Nah, so I use FanDuel.
Mm.
So like on my FanDuel account, I can't use FanDuel in Florida. I can't use FanDuel in a lot of states actually because they don't let gambling take place. Or
Right.
like I guess for Florida, like the Hard Rock has control over every single
Yeah. They monopolize this shit over here. That's their territory. Yeah.
Yes. So I don't even think I can bet the Hard Rock here in New York. I'm not even sure. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It says select a state: Arizona, Colorado, Florida, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, New Jersey, Ohio, Tennessee, or Virginia. I can't gamble
Mm.
here.
Yeah. Not with the hard work anyway.
Yeah, not with the Hard Rock, but with everything else, like New York is pretty good. Like I'm able to use like DraftKings, Caesar
Right.
Sportsbook, ESPN, but not the Hard Rock. That's only in Florida. So,
So do you bet on one sport or you bet on multiple sports?
oh, I bet on everything. Like
Oh, give me it all.
yeah, but like last night, yo, I don't know a single thing about curling. You know what curling is?
No, what the fuck's curling?
It's an
What?
Olympic sport. Like I don't want to say it's like hockey, but like basically like they roll this like disc onto like a track. It looks like a bowling track. You know, like you
Uh-huh.
bowl, like how big that track is. So
Yeah.
you roll this like disc on it, and then you have these players that are like basically like trying to slow it down, like brooming the
Right.
ice
Right,
basically
right, 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 right.
to get it to stop. Like, have you ever played shuffleboard?
Shuffleboard. Nah. Is that the
All right,
thing
so
where you push the little round thing?
yeah. Okay, so it's like that, like the little round
Okay.
thing,
Yeah.
but on ice, like you have to like try to slow it down. So you're like going like this with like a broom,
Yeah.
and it slows down like the disc, and like you want it to obviously hit like a certain point on the grid. And so I don't know a single thing about how they're pointed. I don't know how this crap works.
How it works. But you two made a bet though.
But I made a I made a bet. Yo,
Did you win at least?
yo, so I don't believe in the US when it comes to anything winter.
All
Like
right, all
US is
right,
horrible unless it's basketball or like track.
right,
So
right, right.
for me, I thought Canada was gonna beat their ass. Nope. But I did have Italy. Italy won, so I did
Uh-huh.
win that. Great Britain won, so I did win that. But USA versus Canada, I believed in Canada and they let me
Yeah,
down.
because they're the snow country, innit? They should be good at this shit.
They should be busting the Americans' butts.
For real, seriously.
So that was disastrous. I bet on soccer all the time.
Mhm.
Like when the Champions League is playing, like
Yeah,
I have a full lineup of like who do I think is gonna score, how many goals are gonna be scored in the match, if both teams are gonna score, um like who's gonna have so certain amount of shots on target. Like
right, right. What,
yeah,
that's a specific category that you can bet on?
yeah, you can
Oh,
bet
wow.
on like let me see. Your team is Arsenal. Let's go.
Yeah.
So you have a money line, so you can bet obviously if Arsenal's gonna win or if Sunderland is gonna win for tomorrow. You can even bet if there's gonna be a tie.
Right,
Uh,
right, right.
you can bet how many goals there's gonna be in totality, like over. So they don't ever use whole numbers; they use like
Mm-hmm.
point 0.5. That
Mm-hmm.
gives them an edge as a
Right.
sports book.
Right, I'm sure. The house always wins, sometimes.
The house always wins,
Yeah.
exactly. So you can bet on that. You can bet over or under. So um there's that much. You can bet on what player is gonna score at any time, if
Right.
they're gonna score first, if they're gonna be the last to score, or if they're gonna score two goals or three.
Oh wow, they give you a bunch of options to bet and or bet
Yeah.
from.
Player shots on target. You have um players to score or to assist, anytime assist, first goal scorer, like I said, goalkeeper saves. That's a new one. Um,
Goalkeeper save. So what I predict this goalkeeper is gonna have 20 saves.
yeah.
Do you need to hit on the head to win something, or is it like a range?
So like let's say if you put goalkeeper saves and you put +2, like
Yeah.
if let's say David Raya tomorrow he saves the ball 3 times and you had a +2, you're gonna win.
Ah,
Because no matter like he already surpassed that.
right, right. It's a minimum.
Yeah, it's a minimum.
Got you, got you, got you, got you.
There's even like halftime
So I
result.
can just say one save and he can make three saves and I'm still gonna win.
Yeah, but you also like so this is where the odds take like that goes into account. So like if I put him to save one save tomorrow, it's a
Yeah.
minus 750 odds. So if I put $10 in, I would only make $1.33.
Oh, okay, right, 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 right.
So
So
does it really
you're
make
winning, but like how much are you winning? Is it right? Got you, got you.
so for me like I look to when I'm like doing my edge like with this spread betting crap that I'm started,
Yeah.
like I look for like no less than minus 200 odds. Because if I get something that's minus 200 odds, like, let me see. Let me go to the NBA because they have better odds. If I do like, let's say, we'll go here. Player points. So if I do something around like a minus 205
Hmm.
and minus one 162. That gives me plus 143 odds. So off of $10, I would be making $14.
Right, right, right. Okay.
So like that's how like I build myself up. So when people have like minus 1,000 odds, like yeah, they're gonna hit, but you're not gonna get paid out as much.
Right, right, right.
So the closer you get to like a plus 100 odds is where it's like it gets a little tricky. So like I found a sweet spot in like this crap where
If it works, right?
yeah, like if I find like a minus, so for tonight with the Knicks, like they are, I think they're not the favorite. Oh no, they are the favorite. They're the favorite to win tonight. So they have a minus 1.5 spread. So they have to beat the Pistons by 2 points, basically.
Right.
So because I don't trust the Knicks
Mm-hmm.
and I don't think that they're gonna beat the Pistons, um, I'm gonna put for the Pistons a plus 5.
Mm-hmm.
So even if the Pistons win, like I
Yeah.
automatically win my bet.
Right, 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 right.
So I would pair that. That's minus 192, which if I bet $10 would give me $5. I combine that with, let's see, let's go Miami Heat versus the Celtics. In this one, the Celtics are favored to win, and I think that the Celtics will win.
Right.
But for me not to, go too crazy, I'm gonna make them get as close to the Miami Heat as possible to give me good odds.
Right.
I'm going the best
You
odds.
have to keep me posted on these parlays, right? That's what they're called.
Yeah, yeah. So the for the Boston Celtics, like they it says that they should cover the spread at minus. They should beat the Miami Heat by 7 points.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put them to beat the Miami Heat by 3 points.
Mm.
So even if they beat them by those 7 points, like I
You
will still
still
win because they'll
right,
at least have covered the spread.
right, right, right.
So combining the Detroit Pistons and the Celtics, I got a plus 139 odds.
Yo, this is a whole course, because what the hell, bro?
Yeah.
This is a whole course you can make with this shit, bro.
Yeah, and it's it's yeah, so if I bet $10, I'd make 13 like almost $14 basically.
Right, 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 right. The thing I like with you is like you're very risk focused, and I like that. Like you're not trying to like just hit a home run. You're trying to like systematically, hey, I want to lose $10. $10 will get me $14. I'll take that.
I take that. It's double my money and a little bit more. So there was let me wait, let's do our closeout. Wait, are you even
All right, let's do our trade performance review then, and keep chit chatting, bro. All
Yeah.
right, so what do you think you did well today?
I think I approached the market. Well, all right. I showed up.
Mm-hmm. That's always the question.
Um,
Yep.
I showed up. I showed up with a clear mind. I showed up with intention today. Like I knew what I came into that I wanted to look for, and I understood that if it wasn't giving me what I was looking for, then I was gonna sit on my hands. If the
Mm-hmm.
opportunities presented themselves, then I was looking to take that risk and make sure it was calculated. Um, and I was, I wouldn't say brave,
Mm-hmm.
but
You had more confidence.
I had the confidence to get into trades and trust my analysis and everything that I've
Right.
back tested and learned this week and
Right.
apply it to today and, be able to manage my emotions and see it through.
Yeah, nice, solid. So for me, it would be showing up, right? Got 1% better, gained experience, learn lessons that I'll take into my next trading day. I've actually noticed that like once I get in a trade, there's usually a retracement that comes that gives me another opportunity. Like I was just watching this one right here. Like it was coming close to my stop. Usually, sometimes it will take me out and then give me another opportunity. But today it kept me in, and I still was able to identify another opportunity for the continuation to get to the external liquidity, which is something I've noticed this week. So just by showing up, right, you pick up data here and there that you can use forward. So I'll say that's what I did well today. Stuck to my model, my procedures and protocols, waited for what I was here for. Right? I didn't get distracted, even though I saw the retracement and I taped read it. I wasn't like solely focused on it, right? I didn't get distracted with it that I missed the actual trade that I was here for. So yeah, I'll say that's what I did well. Where would you say you fell short today?
I think I fell short today with adjusting as the session went on,
Yeah,
which I wouldn't, I guess it would be falling short, but I also learned that today. So
right, right, right. Just something that yeah, that's fair.
gonna add. What about you?
I would say wake up time. All right. I woke up later than I wanted to wake up. I woke up at 8 or 9. Really want to be up by 7:45 latest. Like I'm trying to get to 7:30 wake up time, but at least 7:45 latest. I want to be getting up and moving. So wake up time, chart wise, I don't think I fall short anywhere. I got my morning routine in. So yeah, for me it would be wake up time.
Sounds like a plan. Yeah.
How can you improve for next day, next trading session?
How can I improve is
Yeah,
just continue to apply everything that I keep learning. Keep journaling. I feel like that
yeah.
has helped tremendously. And just keep trusting the process.
Yep, yep. I love that. Just have to trust the process and trust the journey. For me, it would be keep showing up, keep sticking to my model, my procedures and protocols. Don't let short-term adversity, losses, series of losses distract me, deter me from, my foundation. I think I have a pretty solid foundation in terms of what I'm looking for in my processes. So I just have to just keep following it and let the market, trade management, risk management do the heavy lifting, really and truly. So before we get out of here, DJ, we're gonna take a look at our schedule for next week, our tentative schedule, which will be the economic calendar. Looking like Monday, we'll have to see what Econoday is saying on Monday, but Monday this looks like there's no news, and then we have news for the remainder of the week. So we have CPI. Actually NFP, they moved it to this week. Hey, our take profit got hit.
Hey,
Let's
that's
go.
perfect.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it. External liquidity getting hit there. All right, we love that. But anyway, back to our schedule. So, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right now looking like a good trading day for us. Like I said, Monday we'll have to see what Econoday is saying. If there's no news, we'll be here regardless, watching the market. On no news days for me, this will be a separate account. The account that we're here for, I won't be taking a trade because I need there to be a high or medium impact news on the day for me to take a trade. But if there's no news, I'm really not looking. I'll be in the market, but like it'll be a different account. That makes sense. So, DJ, that's it from us today. It's been an incredible week of growing, learning, getting closer to our model, our procedures, and just overall becoming better traders, better analysts, and yeah, just 1% better throughout the week. So, any last words you want to say for the week for you there, Diana?
Um, we coming back next week harder.
Yeah, hell yeah, we are. Taking in what we've learned from this week and applying it for next week. Really and truly, that's all we can do. So, DJ, until next week, you know what it is, what it is, what it isn't. I'm the trader here, signing out. Good luck, good trading, happy hunting. We're still working on your sign out, Diana. You froze. All right, DJ. She's frozen, but see you next week.